Want to permanently delete your Otter.ai account and ensure your data is removed? It's a straightforward process focused on data privacy. First, export your data. This is crucial for compliance with data portability rights. Remember, this action is irreversible, removing all transcripts, highlights, and user data. Make sure to complete the export first, as it's your responsibility to retain your data before deletion. Account deletion on Otter.ai aligns with data portability and the right to erasure. Data portability ensures you can take your data with you, while the right to erasure gives you control over when your data is permanently removed. Data export allows you to retain control of your content, including transcriptions and metadata like timestamps and speaker identification. Permanent deletion removes your data from Otter.ai's servers, though cached backups may persist for up to 90 days for legal reasons, such as subpoenas. Otter.ai anonymizes data used for model training to protect your privacy while improving AI capabilities. Keep in mind that if you have third-party integrations like Zoom or Google Drive, they may retain linked data independently of Otter.ai. Since June 2025, the process is self-service, but enterprise users require admin approval to prevent data loss in team settings. Note that accounts flagged for suspicious activity may require two-factor authentication for added security. While Otter.ai's process is generally reliable, always verify your exports to ensure no data loss. This ensures your data is handled according to modern privacy standards like GDPR.